Alright, so for the codable activity, I'm going to choose the grade levels K through 2nd because that is the grades that I am most interested in teaching. So I'm going to select kindergarten. Here we go to level 1. Okay. As you can see, we put that there so that the ball moves forward. And then the arrow down so that it follows the correct route. And then we're going to push play to watch it roll. Okay.
Like one with the light on it? That's what I'm like,
That's not what I want to do.
yeah. Bullshit.
White, Peter, this is sudden death. Only striking an opposing player eliminates. Catching the ball does nothing.
Bates, nice job.
Both feet must remain in the triangle at all times. You may throw any time after my call. Understood? Okay, let's have a clean match. This is it. Okay. Just don't go crying. Respect. Respect. It's your day. You have to wipe it up with your face. What? Yeah. Awful fat in those pants. Players to your positions. Sudden death is all about gamesmanship, folks. Throw too early and you're defenseless. Throw too late and you're eliminated.
Over.
It's a dodgeball. This sport doesn't build character, it reveals it. That's an A cut. What's the approach there? Remember your training. Trust your instincts. You can do it. I believe in you. On eye. Player's turn. And step in.
Now I'm going to start my creative challenge. Alright, so I'm gonna pick something fun. That looks fun as my background. Okay, so now I'm gonna make this pretty simple, just so, because it's for kindergartners and I want to see them succeed. Okay, so we messed up a little bit, so we're just gonna fix that. Again, slightly too, there we go. Alright, let's add a star.
Yeah, it's true. It's true I sold average Joe's 20.
There we go.
That's his price. And it's also
And we got our stars.
21. It's a lot sweeter.
Alright, let's test it.
Here are your winnings, Mr. LaFleur. Congratulations. Time, I appreciate it. Thank you. What is it? Who is that? What winnings? What is that? Gosh, I totally forgot to tell you. I took a $100,000 ride for the interview last night. I put on us to win. You're blowing off for 50 to 1. Anyone? Top of your head. It's 50 times $100,000. $50,000. Jim is mine. So you can take your band, the piano belly losers, and just crawl out.
Alright, let's test this.
I can't make it sell if it shows back to me, so I guess I'll just take your advice and invest in something. Say, the controlling stake of Logo Chip.
It's preposterous. I've never done it.
Logo Chip is a publicly traded company. There's nothing you can do about it.
So, control Logo Gym and everything that Logo Gym owns, which, as of last night, Sarah showed everything.
Okay, let's try this again.
I guess you're right. But not really clear.
Okay, so we're going over, then we go down,
No, Steve.
then we go over.
No, I guess what all the
Go over, down, over,
Cars.
up, over.
Cars.
You.
Okay, let's test this out.
Nice,
There we go. So now I created my maze. And here I am getting my certificate. All done.